It's a 2017 BMW 5 Series. Legendary BMW performance, all grown up. Featuring an unmatched level of refinement mixed with lightning speed, this 5 Series is something to behold. Its BMW twin-powered turbo engine and 8-speed sport automatic transmission with sport and manual shift modes, steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, and launch control amplify the exhilaration. Driving dynamics control with EcoPro, Comfort, and Sport modes, dynamic stability control with dynamic traction control, and dynamic brake control redefine precision handling. Adaptive LED headlights, power adjustable front sport seats with driver memory system, dynamic cruise control, and BMW navigation are only a few of the ways this 5 Series lets you enjoy your drive. And should the unexpected occur, you'll have BMW's active protection system standing by. Extraordinary in every way, this 5 Series is ready to thrill. See it today.
Welcome to Daniels BMW at 4600 Crackersport Road in Allentown, Pennsylvania.